Hey everyone, good morning and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and I'm great too. So, what we're gonna do today is, as I said, we're gonna plan whole the way, and I'm so sorry that I didn't upload my video for 4 days. Uh, it was a big busy day, and seriously, I was not getting time to even go for a morning walk. But now, today, we're going again and we will continue from there where we end last time, and soon we're gonna reach there. And yes, our sunrise is also awaiting for us, and we're gonna record that too. As you can see there, I saw that trees, and I don't think so it's such like shallow trees. It's a dense one, and wait, I'll show you. Can you see those? And I'm so curious to go inside that. I wanna go there. But I think so when we'll finish our journey of that full road, and then we can go there too. Like, yes, then we can explore the farms. We can go till that end of the trees inside that. I'll call it a small jungle, but yes, I'm sure I'm gonna be there after the moment I'll complete that whole road. And but yet it was beautiful, because nature never disappoints us, and it will always show us some beautiful thing in any kind of thing. It can be trees, it can be land, it can be water, it can be mountains, sunrise, sunset, stars. And last night my friend sent me so many pictures of night sky with full of stars, and really there were what we say, a star shootout, yeah, and there were a lot. And she saw me one picture where there was a meteorite which was seen in that picture, and I hope I'll show you in that video. And it was so beautiful, seriously. So we came on the road again. That was a beautiful place. Actually, they were growing roses there, and now we have to move further. You can see we came to the same path where we end last time. Remember that two sewer pipeline, and we went inside that for two big trees. So now it's time to move further. From here we're going forward, and yes, I hope we'll get one more new road in which we can go inside of it.